On World Wide Web, it's your boy Marlon Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Thanks for opting into the website, guys. I really appreciate that. And I refer to myself as a student of the game of internet marketing for the simple fact that it took me a few years after I really started immersing myself and trying to learn how to make money on the internet to learn that the best way to go about that is to simplify the process, guys, okay? And one of the things I've learned over time, particularly over the last 2.5, 3 years, guys, is how to simplify the process for making money on the internet. So first, I want to congratulate you and thank you for opting in. I want to say Happy New Year's to you, because if you're finding this video, it's because it is the new year, guys. And if you're serious about learning a lot more or a little bit more about making money on the internet and how to make money online, then guys, click the continue button right below this video. We're going to take you over to a site that I put together specifically for people who are brand new and want to learn how to do this. And you're going to see a few testimonials. And then guys, we're going to jump right in and I'm going to show you how I've simplified the process for making money on the internet and how you can get in on the excitement, fun, and profit as early as the next 2 hours, guys. I know talk is cheap, guys, but the supply always exceeds the demand. So click the continue button. Let's take you over there, guys. Watch these testimonials, and then, guys, you'll be able to make an informed decision as to whether you want to continue and join me with this incredible opportunity that's going to allow you to start making money in the year 2018 and beyond. So go ahead on, guys. Click that button below, and let's get you over there, and let's get you started. I'll see you on the other side.